Hi friends, today we are talking about the new topic, that is ideas of development. See, idea and development, what is the difference between them? Here, a development, whenever we want to wish to develop like that person or like that institution, like that organization, then we need some kinds of ideas. So we have different people in the society and different people with different ideas. See, for example, as a student, you have an idea. What is that idea? You want to get a good marks and you have to get a first rank. Okay, these are your ideas. For what means to get developed? It means if you get good marks, then you will get a nice seat in a good college, and after that your studies will go in high well. Then afterwards, for example, a business person is there. He have some ideas. This year I have to increase my profit, and the next year I have to establish another factory, and he wanted to start a new business with in the collaboration of any other things. So these different kinds of ideas are there. These all ideas for development only. See what your father does. So he does some other business, for example agriculture, or any other business, a fertilizer shop, a pesticides, any other pharmacy shop. They engaged in different kinds of works in order to run the family. Okay, so first example, see, first I want to make you to understand the title of the lesson. The title of the lesson is ideas of development. See, in the society different people have different ideas for what to develop. Generally people have ideas for what means for develop. For example, a tailor is there. In the first year he purchases one or two machines. The next year 5-6 machines, then afterwards 10 machines. Like that he wants to increase his he want to increase his business. The increasing business is nothing but he want to develop. Okay, he want to develop, so that first he has an idea. Okay, idea is nothing but it is a reinforcement, or it is a first step or startup. Okay, that in such a way we can understand this. And after that, for example, agriculture farmer is there. The farmer, he is producing paddy in a acre of land, and in the first year he wants that 26 bags of paddy he expects. Okay, then afterwards, after getting good yield from that land, the next year he expects that 30 bags of paddy in the same land. See, if ideas and development, see, the output is a development. The whatever the things we collect and we implement for the achieving of our thoughts, that is an idea. Okay, this is the difference between the most of the people use idea and development, and development and growth, these are same. Not, this is the idea that leads for the development. Okay, this is the main string to go to development. Okay, in this context I would like to differentiate the two words in our subject, growth and development. See, growth and development are quite different, they are not same, and so most of the students and the people use as a synonym. Okay, growth is different, development is different. Growth is simply physically we see that it is a quantitative appearance. It is a growth is a quantitative, development is quantitative along with that qualitative. Okay, so that is about these you study in higher classes. Okay, today's class is about ideas of development. I hope that you have understood the title of the lesson. Now let us enter into the lesson. In our lesson, landless rural laborers are there, prosperous farmers, farmers who developed only on rain for growing crops, a rural woman from a land, urban unemployed youth, a boy from a rich urban family, a girl from a rich urban family, an Adivasi from mining fields, a person from fishing community in the coastal area. These all people are there. They have different kinds of ideas. Okay, in this section, first one is a landless people. Okay, landless people are there. What are their ideas for development? It means landless people generally they depend on daily wages because they don't have land. They go for coolie, we call it. Okay, for daily wages to earn, and they always think that we should get everyday work and we should get a secured work. That is the thing. And a prosperous farmer, the second person is that he has some ideas for his development. What are those ideas means, he should get good fertilizers for the farm, and still he wants to take some other land. He want to purchase new lands, and he want to purchase a tractor and some other agriculture related machineries. Okay, then afterwards the farmers depending on rainfall. Some farmers are there, they won't have throughout the year water facility. So that kind of persons, the farmers, they depend on rain, that is the rain fed areas. So they have ideas for their development. They think always, oh, this year they should get optimum rainfall, and as well as they should get optimum price for their productions in the market. Okay. Next one, a rural woman from a land owned family, because this woman has land. Okay, what does he think? He thinks that he has some ideas for her development, for family development. This year they should get more productivity from the land. They have to sell them in the market. On that they should get an optimum price on their production, on their produce. This is the ideas of that woman from that owned family. Next, urban unemployed youth are there. See, generally youth have some ideas. The major idea is to get employment. Generally because he is an unemployed one, he wants to get employment in the market. So the urban people are there, no, they have urban and rural unemployment is a little bit different, because urban unemployment they can get anywhere, but rural unemployment mostly related to agricultural sector, that you think keep in mind. Okay, urban unemployed youth, they have some ideas for their development. That is, first thing is they should get good work, jobs. They should get jobs, and they should get handsome salaries and flexible hours of work, and their job security. Okay, they wanted the job security along with the job. Okay. Okay, see now, a boy from a rich urban family, he is a rich one. What are his ideas for his development? He want to buy a new land, he want to buy a laptop, he want to start a business, because he is a rich person, he has more money in his hand, so that he wants to start a business. So these are the ideas of that rich boys. Okay. Okay, next, rich girl is there from a family. Rich girls are there means, generally what the rich girls think, they pursue good education in abroad, and they want to buy a new house or construct a new house, or to buy some lands, any other machineries, and want to start a new business. Okay, these are the ideas of rich girls. Next, an Adivasi from mining fields. Okay, what are the ideas of Adivasis from the mining lands? See, Adivasis are struggling for their survival, because these minings are disturbing their lifestyle and as well as spoiling their culture, so that they wanted to protect their motherland as well as their culture. So what a Adivasi thinks for his developments, he should get optimum rainfall, he should get optimum production from forest, he want increase his livestock. It means mostly Adivasis, they live in forest, in hill areas, at the heart of the forest. Okay, they won't live in concrete houses, they construct huts, thatchets with the dried leaves of palm leaves and some other leaves which are helping them for the thatchet construction. Okay, they wanted to protect their lands from the encroachment, and they expect the government to give some kinds of facilities for their development. Now, a fisherman, a fishing person from the coastal community. See, a fisherman always thinks he should get a good catch. You have studied in previous classes. Okay. Okay, the good catch he wants, and he has some ideas to develop his business. It means he should get good catch, and next he want a motorboat, and he wants some nice nets. and as well a good market for his catch. Here catch means a fish, whatever he caught in the sea or any other water bodies. Okay, these are the different kinds of ideas for their development. So now we talk about the ideas. Some people's ideas may become problems to other people. How they become? Let us know. How these ideas become problem to other people? Let us know this. For example, it is a simple way I will tell you, you will understand easily. Okay. See, first one X person is there. X person. He wants, he's a rich person. He wants to construct an industry. He wants to start a business. Industry where industry is constructed in the farmland only, in the forest area. That farmland means already in that land some Adivasis and some other land owned people are working. Whenever this person purchases that land, he wants to construct a industry that he feels that he is giving employment for some thousands of people. According to him, constructing an industry there is the right thing. But the right thing becomes wrong. How means? In that land some Adivasis are living. If the industry is constructed there, Adivasis will lose their lands and their food, because they are depending on the land for their food, because agricultural products only they produce and they eat. And livestock also depends on the grasslands. Grasslands also will be spoiled if they constructed a industry. And after that, a forest area also destroyed. People generally protest to do that kind of things. Here industrialist has a good idea because he wants to develop himself by establishing a factory or industry, any other thing. But the same idea is rejected by the other people like Adivasis and some other farmers. Okay, these are the ideas of development. These ideas and development, these two have sometimes they have a positive relations and sometimes they have a negative relations, especially against the people sometimes. Okay, this is about introduction of ideas of development. In the next lesson, next video we talk about complete lesson.